Dear students, in today's class we are going to understand what is the syllabus given by CBSE of Artificial Intelligence for class 12. As you seen that CBSE Department of Skills and Education, they are providing Artificial Intelligence syllabus of subject code is 843. You must have to remember subject code 843 for class 12. Cesar has written here 25-26. You just remove 25 to 26-27. Okay, total marks is 100. Out of that, 50 marks contain theory and remaining 50 marks contain practicals. You are familiar with that artificial intelligence are classified into three categories. The categories one is part A, part B, and third one is part C. Now, talking about the part A is the employability skills. You are already familiar with these topics, employability skills, since from class 9, 10th, 11. Okay, now employability skills contains these 5 topics. Unit 1 is communication skills. That is the fourth part we have to going to study about here. It's a total number of hours is 15. Second one is self management skills. For number of hours we have to study about 10 hours. Third one is ICT skills. It's also regarding of 15 hours. And fourth one is entrepreneurial skills that contain 10 hours, and the last one is green skills that contain 10 hours. Maximum numbers, maximum marks from each category, each unit is 2 for each. Total marks is 3. You must have to only study about these topics uh, because these topics are related to your examination. Now, coming to the subject specific skills, that is very important for your examination and everything. These subject skills are containing some units. Number 1 is Python programming. Here you have to study about NumPy libraries. Here you have to study about NumPy libraries as well as pandas libraries. Okay, importing and exporting of CSV file and data framework, these are the part of these two topics. Handling with missing data, if there is a data given and if there is data missing, we just using by pandas and numpy to handle that missing data. And one topic is linear regression. Algorithm must be based on numpy and pandas. Okay, now coming with second unit, data science methodology. Data science methodology, analytic approach of capstone project. Here's a very important topic is capstone project. We are going to study about data science. What is the data science methodologies are there? Step to step for data science methodologies, model variation, and model performance matrix we are going to study about here. Okay, now third is uh, making machines able to see. As a part of computer vision, where we are able to create machines that be able to see and analyze it. Now, how the machines can be seen, working of computer vision process, what are the application and what are the challenges they are facing in this topic. Okay, now coming with the fourth one, that is AI with orange data mining tool. Here you are going to study about what is data mining. What is data mining, introduction of orange data mining tools. Now getting started with orange tools, components of orange tools. These are the topics that will be covered under the unit number 4. Now unit number 5 is introduction to big data and data analytics. Here you have to study about the huge amount of data. Okay, So introduction to big data is must be regarding to help you to understand what are the data are needed to create artificial intelligence machines. Now, properties and features and limitation of big data as well as data analytics. Now coming with unit number 6, that is a part where you are going to study about neural network. Okay, neural network is a concept come under deep learning. Deep learning under neural network concept are coming. You go to understand about the parts of neural networks, components that contains neural networks, working of neural networks, type of neural networks, and the future of neural networks. These are the parts will be covered in understanding of neural networks. Now, coming with unit number 7, generative AI. So, what you have know about generative AI? What is a generative AI? What is generative AI? Yes, generative AI. Generative AI. What are the types of working of generative AI? One important concept is LLM, means that large language model. We are going to study the generative AI and the future of generative AI. These are the topics come under the generative AI. Okay, then after we are going to move with data storing, data storytelling, introduction of data storytelling, elements that contain storytelling, essential elements for storytelling, and types of datas, visualization, or different data types we are going to study about in this part. Now these parts are contain some of the points. It may be two major things that may contain. The first one is it's your theory part, and the second one is your practical part. You must have to make a notebook for practical also. The first Python programming contain theory parts of 6 marks, and 18 marks is for practical. Now think these are the highlighted because these are used in your practicals only, not in examinations. Then after data science methodology contains theory part is 8, and practical parts that may be as 12. Now maximum marks that come in your examination is 8. Making machines see, theory part is 6 marks, and practical parts is 12 marks. You also go to make project on it, and the maximum marks that may be come in your examination is 6. AI with orange data mining tools, its theory part is 4 marks, and the practical parts is 18. It totally based on your practical file. Okay, now introduction to big data and data analytics. Its a theory part contains 7 marks, and the practical parts contains 12 marks. So is also come at 6 marks. Understanding of neural networks, theory parts is 8 marks, and practical parts is contain 12 marks. Maximum marks that come in your examination is 8. Okay, generative AI the same is 6 marks for your theory and 12 marks for your practicals. Okay, now maximum marks is 7, and storytelling, it's a 5 marks that contain the theory part, and the 4 marks that contain practical. Total 5 marks is the maximum marks that contain your examination. Total is 40 marks. So you have seen that part A, uh, here part A contains 10 marks, and part B contain 50 marks. Sorry, 40 marks. Total is 50 marks. 50 marks is your theory, and remaining 50 marks that may become under practicals. Okay, so practical projects, it may be helpful for you. First on the capstone project and project documentation you have given here. Okay, now you have to create following points like minimum 6 Python programming, and minimum program that using orange data mining tools. Okay, these are the two topics that may be covered, and you must have to go through it. Session number 3. Okay, so this is for the syllabus of AI for class 12. um, okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you to all watching this video.